Ma'am, our topic is wedding planning management. Here we have used the tool Microsoft Project. Basically, on exporting into our topic, wedding planning management. Organizing such a big and important event like a wedding is more and most important. The participants should know what the role they should play and what the task they are involved in the project. For getting further details or tasks can spoil all the celebrations. The task, the core idea for this project the main aim is enabling user to plan the task and make them easily and quickly. So we can use a project management tool for making the task easier. We have chosen a Microsoft project for making the project plan. It is a project management software developed by Microsoft. The main features of this tool is to develop a scheduling, organizing resource to task, taking progress, managing the budget, and analyzing workloads. It becomes a dominant PC-based project management software, while others such as Trello and Open Project are all web-based management tool. The file of the project is stored as .mpp format. The project event of the wedding planning management or like decide wedding dates, designing the planner, seeing a planner review. After choosing the planning vendor, we need to log into the website. Then select the vendor separately for different event. Pay advance and contact the vendor and contact vendor for further information. From now, we will explain about the illustration of the tool one by one. Okay. First is planning and scheduling. Hello project manager to define the activities involved in the project and decide how they should be assigned to the different members. We can enter, edit, and give review task information in the worksheet. Then the details of the resource, dates, duration can be added along with this. Task usage. It provides a detailed tracking and scheduling of the tasks that are entered. Then the grid area will show the information about the assigned predecessor and the time duration. Okay, yeah, this is the add new file. Here, a new file can be added to every individual task. Then the task can also include containing the notes of the particular event. Then the file format can be of any type. Then this is a project timeline view. This beautifully presents the whole project with a top-down view of the entire work. For example, if you plan to present the project to your stakeholder, management, or any partner, you can easily preview what they would see from their perspective using the project timeline view. It is simply known as a Gantt chart. It helps in seeing the task and duration in the form of the bar graph on the time scale. Then we can choose a style for the bar in the Gantt chart. Then this is the Gantt chart with timeline. It helps us in getting an overall view about the project, the alongside the time scale. Then by getting this big picture, we can easily access to the the task given at the scheduled date duration. Then this is the collaboration. Um, Microsoft project allow you to share file with other members of your team. This help you ensure all the members have any relevant documentation so they can work on the project with the minimal techniques. Um, then file sharing. It is a unique feature shows up in the Microsoft project. We can save the project file externally, while in the other tool, the project is stored in the cloud of the web server or the drive. Microsoft project allow us to save the file as a .mpp format. Then this is sharing client area. The store.ppp file can be accessed through any kind of third-party app. Then the sum of the third-party app that available in the market is CWAS Project Viewer, Stereo Project Viewer, and Microsoft Power MI. Then Then this is the SharePoint. Every activity can be shared to any kind of third-party app for a gentle reminder cause. Then the SharePoint is another Microsoft product that help to make works in a collaborative simply as a teamwork. Uh, then this is an Excel book as a both Excel and the Project Pro or the software Microsoft software. They have a collaboration with each other, and then every information can be created as a data column in a in an Excel Word book. And then this is reporting. Reporting is one of the most important means of tracking in a project progress, as it allows you to monitor how much work has been completed and how much work remains. And you can give customize the data and structure according to your requirements. It shows the task information in a sheet. Then it helps us in cross-checking the amount of work done in the project. Then the scale of completion range from 0, 25, 50, 70, etc., 100, etc. The details of the project can be viewed separately. And then we can also set the duration limit from when to when the task should be occurred. The current baseline actual can be filtered separately.
Resource management. Microsoft Projects offers project managers a great deal of flexibility when it comes to managing a project resources and availability. A project is going with a certain limitation on the number of sources. if any task may be assigned to more of the resources or more of the people may. The project management tool also led to assign the cost and cost to the individual resources, um, allowing to later analyze and make them a pay. This is the resource graph. It shows up the resource allocation of every resources. It displays the information as a graph, graph mentioned here. And then in this graph, the normal allocated are indicated in the blue line, and the over allocated are indicated in the red bar. In this project we have manually we have auto scheduled it. We have auto scheduled. I will show here. We are auto scheduled all the resources, so there is no there is no over allocation in this. There is a only normal allocated resources here. Resource sheet. Here we can get it and make view of every resources for each individual task. One person is allocated for the task. The person or any ring. In case of the wedding management, the materials like venue, dress, bands, and rings are all comes under these resources. We can use we can mention those in this sheet, and we can also easily view those things. We can get it make a entry a new entry like this. Resource usage. In this view, every resources, how much time it is used and how much cost it is used, it's all mentioned here. The resource in the project is shown up in the grid area. Inside the grid area, the scheduled task, work and assigned works are displayed. While it is showing both the graph and the grid area, it is a most combinational, most useful combinational view. Resource form. The resource form functionality allows you to iterate through all the resources one by one and see them their details. Here I came across the application department. You can right click anywhere and view. You can right click anywhere and view and select the other information to be displayed. In the resource form view, you can display schedule details, cost details, work details, notes, and other objects. Team planner view. Every resources in the projects are displayed in the row. The resources are fixed in the timeline chart to indicate that the resources should complete the resources should complete the work within the given time. These are the two how to say, these are the two works should be done by the application team. So in which dates those works to be done, take care. It is shown in this view. Move scheduled. This is the most interesting feature I have come across this Microsoft project. We can move the schedule, the total schedule. The how to say means the wedding plan management. The total project starts from 12/11/19 to 1/21/20. We can move the whole project to 4 weeks, and we can move the whole project forward, or we can make move of the whole project backward. The overall schedule can be moved as we wished. If in case of any delay in the project by some of the members in the team, we can just skip those days and we can move the task. Multiple projects. Microsoft projects also allows the project management to work on multiple projects on the same platform, making it easier to deal with the different projects in the same company or in the same main project or the same team. This is defined as a term called a master project plan. Basically, when we are working with many people and many project plans, you can combine all them to form one master plan. Another one special feature of the Microsoft project is multiple project. In a single project file, the sub projects can also be added. By adding this, we can easily categorize every task under a subtask, which uh, which which is under a main task and under a main project. Suppose event management, bridal management, and photography all are comes under a main project called the planner team. This planner team come under the main project of wedding plan management. Sub project. Um, Not only the single individual sub task can be added, also the sub projects can be added. So if suppose wedding plan management and the other another file can also be shared, and we can also link the project between them. We can add many projects as a sub project. There is no limit for that. The sub projects can also be viewed simultaneously across the alongside the main project. Different views. Microsoft Project is quite a unique project management tool in that it offers number of different views. Like these are the built-in views. For instance, you can make use of the Gantt charts like it is displayed here, and resource usage that those are mentioned back by the another team member. Another one, these are some additional features which we can see in the Microsoft project predominantly. Calendar. It is helpful in view task duration for a specific week or from a range of week. The calendar is shown up in the screen as a monthly calendar format. We can change it also weekly calendar format, or we can change to our customized time chart. The tasks are displayed in those things. Network diagram. Which task to be happened first, and which task to be happened later, and which task is dependent on another task. It all mentioned here. These are the completed. These are the overall, so that it is a net. It's just like a network, and it's just like the nodes and other things. Just to have a view of the view of the task from the start date, finish date, and how much percentage is completed. It is 2% completed the overall project, but the application team has completed as 0% only. What are the resources allocated? We can see here. Timeline. This is the timeline view. The overall resources, not the task. The resources can be from which time, which date to which date they have allocated, and they have the task to do. It is simply displayed as a task. It is displayed as a timeline bar. It helps us all in getting the overall view about the project. It gives the professional look for the key task and the milestone. Key task means which is the main task should be held after the which is the main task to be held, so that the after that many tasks can happen. By getting this big picture, we can easily accessible to the task and given schedule duration. Here we can see the task start date and the task finish date and the duration of the date and how much it completed. And here we comes to offer multiple views or different views. um, Late task. In this, how much every project contains some of the time limit to do. If in the deciding wedding date, it should be finished before 12/18/2019. But if the task is delayed, or if the task get delayed by some reasons, or if the task if the task how much percent is completed, or either 25% or 75%, it is mentioned here. What are the late tasks, are all arranged or grouped together as a main one. Cash flow. This is the overall cash flow because for every resources. Wait a second. For every department or every resources or every materials, they are allocated some rate or some how much the amount should be paid like that. These are mentioned in the cash flow. The overall cash flow of this project is 5 lakhs, near to 6 lakhs. How much the cumulative cost that may happen or the price of the money happen, if that or if any task is included at the middle or the actual cost, it's all displayed here. Work overview. This gives the overall work view of the project, of the whole project. This as we see in that sheet, the project started at 12/11/2019 and it ends at 21/1/2020. It shows the overall work view and how many remaining works are there to complete the whole project. And it has a predominant graph showing that remaining cumulative works, remaining actual works, and something like that. And it is a bar graph. It shows the multiple view as it is shows as a graph. It shows up the bar graph or something like that. It shows as the chart. It shows as the shows us another view. Remaining availability of those individual resources are shown here. This is a practice analyzer. We can't straightly move into the project. We want to make a practice. We want to make a trial for the project to be done. So we can just list out the total time taken and what the maximum time should be taken for every task. We can just make a bar graph and we can practice. We can just make more of the. We can also individually move these projects this project is not really yet completed, but we can mark it as completed and we can check for that view that it has finished or not in this view. Upcoming task. If the project is at the middle of the work, means the 50% of the overall project is completed, not the partial subtask. If the overall project is completed for the 50%, what are the next upcoming tasks should be completed or are mentioned here. This project is not started yet. We did not assign the completion of the works, so it is showing the 0% is completed. And we can see more reports here. Reports like over allocated resources. I said before there is no over allocation in this project, so there is no over allocation, so it is not showing any resources as over allocated. Earned value. If something the project is like share market, if you put some money and just gain some money, it like how much you have spent or how much you have earned, like that graph will be shown here. But in this case it is not a earned value like project. And these are the critical task and sleeping task. The critical task means the task should be completed before the many of the tasks should be completed. This is the when we finish this task only, the other task can be completed or should be completed. So if any critical tasks are there, it is shown in this report. This is the overall organization task of this whole project. This shows the overall overall task view or overall the graph view of the measuring progress of those views in this project. We can also create a blank report or blank view, and just we can just make a just report one. We can just make it as report, and we can also add chat, and we can also add chart of our convenience. We can make what are the bars should be displayed, and what are should not be displayed, and we can make a whole chart or a whole overview of the project. We can also change to pie diagram, bar diagram, and the area, and other diagrams like radar we seen before. Also as columns. Columns is this bar graph. Thank you. Thank you.